Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to send APK Android app to your WeChat account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you look for a particular app that you want to send from your Android app to WeChat account. For that, so I'm going to use this particular app right here. So what I'm going to do is to click and hold down, then go ahead and click on share. Then go ahead and click on WeChat. Then go ahead and select WeChat. Then go ahead and select the contact. Then go ahead and click on send. Successfully sent. Here you go. You have the base APK app right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.